Good morning, my dear boys of class 11th. Today, two topics of chapter number 6 will be uploaded. Number 1, physical activity. What are the benefits of physical activity? And physical inactivity. What are the harmful activities, harmful effect of physical inactivity? So first, physical activity. Boys, any movement, any movement, maybe it is in the field, maybe it is in our home, school, any movement is known as physical activity. But unfortunately, nowadays, due to luxurious lifestyle, physical activity has become very less in our life, and as a result, the younger generation, not only the younger generations, the persons irrespective of all ages, gender, they are suffering from hypokinetic diseases. Physical activity is must. You have to indulge in physical activity unfailingly. If you fail to attend physical activity, you are going to suffer from many diseases near future, and this is very much true. Physical activity can be different from playing games, playing football, cricket, rugby. It differs as per age. To your age, 2 hours playing football or cricket vigorously is a very good physical activity. To your father's age, to your grandfather's age, morning walk, evening walk, gardening, traveling, these are the physical activity. These relax us. Apart from this, for your mother, working household chores from sunrise to sunset, to prepare food for you, to prepare you for school, to prepare tiffin for you, these come under physical activity. Gardening, painting, all these come under physical activity. One who performs physical activity daily enjoys life for a long time. And what are the benefits of physical activity? There are many benefits of physical activity. What are the benefits? Number 1, daily regular participation in physical activity reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases, lung diseases, coronary diseases, etc. Number 1, and these have become very common nowadays, even among the youngsters. Very unfortunate. This is nothing but due to lack of physical activity. You remain busy in online mode with a computer, laptop, forgetting all the physical activities which you need regularly, and unfortunately, our younger generations are suffering from nowadays high blood pressure, high blood sugar, which we used to see after 70 years in our age, and this has become very much common among the younger generations. That is why it is unfortunate. This is nothing but that due to lack of playing football, playing cricket, playing rugby, playing kabaddi. Go and enjoy cycling, your lungs will be all right, but you do not do so. Number 1, it reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, lung diseases, heart diseases, etc. It promotes strength, flexibility, speed, endurance, neuromuscular coordination, which are the basis of life, which are the components of fitness. Mind it, dear boys. Daily participation in physical activity, it reduces tension, stress, anxiety, depression, frustration, irritation, all these psychological complications which have become very much common nowadays among the youngsters. Playing football, playing cricket relaxes us, relieves us from stress, strain, mental stress. It reduces depression. So these are very much important. Better physical activity is must for every people, each and every one. You must indulge in this. Take out some time and enjoy physical activity. You will be fit for long. This is physical activity, and these are the results of physical activity. These are the benefits of physical activity. Thank you very much. Coming into the next topic. Thank you.